Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can disable remote desktop network level authentication settings. Okay, so if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you need to do the same step. You need to follow the same steps. Just you can open File Explorer, and here you can see this PC. Okay, so just right click, go to Properties. You can go to the setting also by just click to the start button and settings, and then you can go to this option, but this is the short way how you can go to the setting from where you can disable the remote desktop network level authentication. So yes, let me show you again. You need to open File Explorer, right click to this PC, go to Properties, and then you need to go here to the remote desktop or advanced system setting, anyone. Okay, go to remote desktop setting. Let me close this. Let me show you again. That was the long process. So yes, you need to go to the advanced system setting or rename this PC. So if you click here, this same window will be open. If you click to rename this PC, same window will be open. You need to go to the remote tab, and you can see here allow remote connection to this computer. And this is there is one more option, allow connection only from computer running remote desktop with network level authentication recommended. Okay, so sometimes if you are trying to do the RDP, if you are trying to taking the RDP to any remote system, and if you will get remote desktop network level authentication error, so just you can disable, just to uncheck this. Okay, by uncheck this and click to apply, and then okay, and then you can try to do the RDP. You can try to take the RDP. So in this way you can disable the network level authentication settings on your Windows 10, Windows 11 PC. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel IT Parivar, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I will upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.